Welcome to Craftify AI tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to use automation and make it seamless and easy as you are working with Craftify AI. So to find your automation section, you can find it in the left-hand toolbar and you'll just choose automation. Now we can just choose new automation here or also up here. It's the same. Now it's going to ask us when should this run. So let's set a trigger for this automation to run. So we can choose either a specific date, an occasion, recurring, or a contact life cycle time like anniversary date. Now I'm going to choose a occasion, okay? And now we're going to choose a type of occasion. So we should see a bunch of holidays or different types of special days. And I'm going to look for New Year's Day. Here we go. I'm going to choose a time here. It could be any time that you want. So whenever you feel like it's a great time for your viewers, and you'll choose also the time zone in which you'd like to have this in. New York is fine. Then you're going to choose next. All right, now you'll see what should happen. So when New Year happens, what should be happening here? So we're going to say that we're going to choose to send an email. However, in the future, you'll see other different types of automation that can come along. All right, now we're going to choose email template that should be sent. So I will choose here we go. There's my New Year discount announcement. And you can just choose any of the emails that you've already created. So if you're working on an automation, you say, hold on, I haven't created the email for that yet. You'll need to go back and create that email before finishing your automation. All right, now you can choose who's going to receive this email. Is it going to be a segment? Is it going to be a different type of contact? Do we only want to send it to those contacts that are in the US and Canada? Or do we want to choose specific types of contacts here? It's totally up to you. You can also just choose if they're a person or a business, or you can look and see which ones are the leads and send it only to the leads. So we'll send it just to the leads. How about that? Choose next. And now, how is it going to run over time? So how do you want to send this? Do you want to send it always, or do you want to send it until a specific date in the future? You can leave it as that. So now we've set it up. So all leads will have a initial New Year's subscription discount, basically, is what this email is. And now we can choose either to save and activate later. So if you choose to activate it now, it'll wait until that specific date. So in this case, 2026, or you can choose to complete and activate it now, which will also be the same. If you want to save and activate later, that's a great option for you if you still need to create the email in the background. Anyway, we'll go ahead and complete and activate. So then you'll see in your automation section an automation that's already starting to run. I forgot to name this automation. So you can come up here at any time and rename the automation. So we're going to say this is the New Year's lead automation. All right. It should be going. I should be able to just save that anytime. Oh, yeah, that's true. Okay. I've already saved it. Here we go. Now we've got that New Year's lead, the occasion type, the status of it, if it's activated or not, and when it was last updated. And so as you add new automations, you'll be able to see all of that data here. And at any time, if you want, you can choose an action here. You can either open it, you can deactivate it directly here, or you can delete it entirely. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments.